Yeah. This is my jam right here.
Jump.
Jump? Out the way, kid!
So cute.
Pretending to eat my dog's face.
What you doing, Dad? This ain't funny.
Let me get some more.
Get off me. I need my face. Stop playing. He really eating on my face.
You have something in your ear. Hold still. Wait. Let me get it.
Get off me. When your dog thinks he's a chicken.
Hey, that's mine.
What the hell was that? He trying to fight me from the inside. Don't let me come in there. Whoa! Somebody help! Thanks for nothing. Shaky, shaky.
No. It's mine.
Hey, y'all. Got any good snacks? No, you don't. Well, those screaming boys will do just fine.
Yeah, that's it. Right there. Yeah, that feels good.
What the hell? You trying to break my neck? I don't think it should be making those noises. Right, that's it, stop.
Oh, and what do we have here? Not cool. What the hell is going on here? When your pet thinks he's a WWF champ.
His name is John C.
Boy, don't even try me.
Well, if you ain't gonna play, I'ma just stay here doing this till you do.
Stop!
No.
Boy, what you doing hitting me? You done lost your damn mind?
Am I doing it? Am I doing it? Mom. Please not the belly.
What?
Don't
No,
touch
the
it.
belly.
How to get your cat's attention.
Oh my god, baby.
Who's the president? Byron.
This dog knows general knowledge.
Say what's up to Byron. What's up, Byron?
I swear if he lays one finger, I'll scratch them.
You better not.
How sweet is this? He can't wait to see him, but too small to jump.
Better clean you up quickly before Mom finds out. Hi, honey.
This guy! I was sitting peacefully and you had to interrupt. Well, now you got my full attention. How does it feel to be harassed?
Sleep time. Oh my god! Mom! I ain't scared, this is my house. You get out!
Just stay down. Right, you little. Get down. I can't take no more.
Just doing my little dance, showing off my fabulous new coat. They all will be so jealous. Do my little twirl. Lovely day for it today. Right. I'm off out. Toodles.
Strange. Are you okay? Seriously, can you hear that? Is that you? Cause it ain't me, and as far as I remember, I am the only cat here.
Hey little buddy, I'm your new puppy. Come here, I just wanna lick ya.
When you find a toy that keeps them occupied for hours.
I just want to touch his paw.
What just happened? Did you see that?
I am king of the jungle.
Oh my gosh, what is that? Is it real? Not funny, Tom.
Je suis méchante.
A little help, please.
Enjoy the video? Click to see more and please subscribe.